Hey, this is Scott Cole from whentobuyandSellStocks.com, and I just wanted to give my weekly market commentary for the week ended January 20th, 2012. We had an interesting week, and it appears that the market has added a little bit of momentum to its upside move here. The Dow closed at 12,720 and change, and this is a new high close going back to July of 2011. And we're getting ready to challenge the May high of 12,876, and that close was 12,723, so we're right below that on a closing basis. The interesting thing here is, look at this market action for the week right here. It's clear that we have more upside momentum, and if we look at the bottom of the chart, we actually did that on an increase in volume. That's a very bullish sign. So we're getting more participants into the market now. Now, I mentioned last week that the NASDAQ 100 was leading the charge, and it has now broken out to a new high and a new high close that dates back to last July as well. And as you can see, the momentum in the NASDAQ 100 stocks increased as well. Now, keep in mind, this is while Google was getting hammered on Friday, I believe, after its earnings came out, and it was very weak. Let's see if that was... Yeah, that was Friday, where it closed down a good over 50 points, I believe. Yep, there's the gap down. So that's all while Google is getting hammered. And that suggests to me that the market has really got some strength going on here. S&P 500 is actually kind of a laggard, and that's probably due to the financial stocks. They're rebounding significantly, but they've been depressed so much, and they make up a good bit of the S&P 500. So they're not the leaders at this point, but they're going to try and play some catch-up, I'm sure. Let's look at the Dow Jones transports. And what you'll need is the Dow and the transports to climb above the July highs, and with the industrials, that will give you a Dow theory buy signal. Not much in the way of upside volume here. The momentum wasn't much greater than last week. Let's have a look at the Russell 2000. Small cap stock continue to be the laggard, but they had a good week as well. And this program doesn't give me good volume figures for that. So overall, the condition continues to be bullish. The trend is your friend, so I would stay on board. Don't bother trying to pick tops, because I believe that this market is going to continue to confound many of the bears out there. And if you're on board some good stocks, stay on board and ride them out until this thing decides it is time to take a pause. So that's our little weekly commentary, and we'll see you down the road in some more videos.